ready to unlock the potential of the world's largest financial market right from your pocket. This quick guide will show you exactly how to trade Forex on pocket option, turning global currency fluctuations into profit opportunities. First things first, if you don't have one already, sign up for a pocket option account. The link is in the description below. Once you're logged in, explore the available currency pairs were USD, GBP, JPY, USD, CAD, Euro. These represent the exchange rates between two currencies. Select a pair you want to trade. Next, analyze the chart. Pocket option provides tools for technical analysis, like trend lines and indicators. Look for patterns that suggest whether the price will go up or down. A rising trend might indicate a buy opportunity, while a falling trend suggests a sell. Now, set your trade amount. That's the amount you're willing to risk. Then, decide on the direction. Click call if you think the price will go up, or put if you think it will go down before the expiration time. Review your trade details, and then confirm. You'll see your potential profit clearly displayed. Remember, managing risk is crucial. Pocket option allows you to set stop loss and take profit orders. These automatically close your trade if the price reaches a certain level, protecting your capital. Trading Forex involves risk, so start with small amounts and learn as you go. With practice and the right strategy, pocket option can be your gateway to the exciting world of Forex trading. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips.